Thank you. The Goodson family is also seeking justice from the Franklin County Sheriff's Office and the county. Today, the family attorney filed a federal civil rights claim alleging the Sheriff's Office failed to train, supervise, and counsel Meade for his actions as a deputy prior to the shooting. 10 TV's Kevin Landers live outside the federal courthouse building with details on that. Kevin.
Well, good evening. The federal civil lawsuit refers to Deputy Jason Meade as a, quote, ticking time bomb. It says he lacks sufficient training when it comes to the de-escalation in the use of firearms.
We don't want police officers across the country to murder innocent people.
Sean Walton, the attorney representing the family of Casey Goodson Jr., claims in this federal civil rights lawsuit that former Franklin County Deputy Jason Meade was inadequately trained and the sheriff's office needs to be held accountable.
They trained Jason Meade. They supervised Jason Meade. They allowed Jason Meade to operate with impunity.
According to the federal complaint, in 2019 and 2020, Meade's training consisted solely of firearms qualifications. The last training on de-escalation that Meade received was in 2014 when he completed the course in under 4 minutes. The complaint also states Meade was placed on a no inmate contact status for nearly 4 years, in which a supervisor stated, "You are not to be around inmates under any circumstances while on duty." Meade remained on no contact status until May 24th of 2011. The complaint states despite being restricted from having contact with inmates due to clearly egregious conduct, he was on at least one Drug Enforcement Agency task force in 2009 through 2010 during his restricted status. Goodson's attorney says that is a red flag.
He was an individual that targeted, pursued, and shot and killed Casey from behind walking into his own home.
Crime scene photos included in the federal complaint show Goodson's keys in the door and a bag of sandwiches on the floor that Goodson was holding when he was shot and killed. Meade's attorney claims Goodson pointed a gun at the deputy, which is why Meade fired his weapon. I asked Goodson's mother about that claim today.
It was a lie. We know it was a lie. And now y'all know it was a lie.
Now, the federal lawsuit is claiming both punitive and compensatory damages. There was no dollar amount listed in the complaint. We did reach out to the Franklin County Sheriff's Office. They say they do not comment on pending litigation. Reporting live downtown, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.